What's up guys, welcome to Apeh Menu YouTube channel. Help subscribe to this channel to get the latest videos on how much your favorite YouTubers earn from their YouTube. Do click on that little bell icon to be notified of the latest video. Here is the main character for this video. So, how do YouTubers get paid? Based on the research I made with my cat, we found that one of the most passive ways to make an income through YouTube channel is to earn money through ad views. There are two types of ads: 1. CPM, cost per 1,000 views, and 2. CPC, cost per click. If the ads is CPM, that means the viewer of your YouTube video must watch the ad for longer than 30 seconds. If it's a CPC ads, then you get paid based on how many viewers click on the ads surrounding your video. Now, let's go to Judika Entertainment YouTube channel. According to 괘ᴏ괱ᴚ, Judika YouTube have uploaded 110 video. He currently has 2.94 million subscribers. After reaching 1 million subscribers, he has been awarded with the gold play button from YouTube. Currently, he has a total view of 688,460,917. That is insane. He is a YouTuber from Indonesia, and his channel type is entertainment. He created his channel since March 13, 2017. The grade he got is B+, and his 괘ᴏⴱᴚ ranking is 27,380th. Subscriber ranking is 6,026th. Video view rank is 50,358th. He ranked 232nd in Indonesia, and entertainment rank is 1,788th. Next, the average on daily subs for Judika YouTube is around 3.33k, and daily view around 19,062,682. Now let's talk about how much money is he making on YouTube. And this is going to be an estimate. So, daily views he got is 19 million. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning for Judika will be $76,000. Monthly income is $2,280,000. And yearly income will get $27,360,000. But wait, don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue of 45%. Now, $27,360,000 multiply with 0.55 will get $15,048,000. And that is how much Judika earn from YouTube. I think anyone can succeed on YouTube, if they work really hard. That's what my cat said. And I agree. Period.